Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore an advanced and very exciting topic from the field of artificial intelligence, Generative Adversarial Networks, commonly known as GANs. Generative Adversarial Networks are one of the most powerful techniques in modern deep learning. They are widely used in applications like image generation, face enhancement, synthetic data creation, medical imaging support, animation tools, and even creative AI systems. Because GANs are now being used in real industry-level AI solutions. Learning how they work can significantly strengthen your understanding of modern machine learning technologies. Whether you are a data science student, machine learning learner, AI enthusiast, or software developer working with neural networks, gaining knowledge about GAN architectures can open new opportunities in advanced artificial intelligence development. To support learners in this area, there is a structured learning path called the Generative Adversarial Networks Specialization, available on the Coursera learning platform. This specialization is designed to help learners understand both the theory and the practical workflow behind GAN models. Instead of only explaining neural network concepts in isolation, it introduces how generator and discriminator models interact with each other to produce realistic synthetic outputs, which is the core idea behind GAN systems. One important advantage of this specialization is that it explains how GANs are used to generate images, improve data quality, and support machine learning pipelines when real training data is limited. These techniques are especially valuable in modern AI development environments. Another strong feature of this learning path is that it connects deep learning fundamentals with advanced generative modeling techniques. This makes the specialization useful not only for researchers and engineers, but also for learners who want to upgrade their machine learning skills toward cutting-edge artificial intelligence applications. The specialization also introduces practical workflows that help learners understand how generative AI models can be trained, evaluated, and improved for real project scenarios. These are essential capabilities for anyone planning to work in computer vision, synthetic data generation, or advanced neural network research areas. Because this is a specialization course structure, the learning process is organized step by step across multiple modules, helping learners gradually build confidence in understanding GAN architectures and their applications. If you are planning to strengthen your skills in deep learning, artificial intelligence development, or modern generative modeling techniques, this specialization can be a valuable addition to your learning journey. You can find the link in the description to get the required specialization course from the Coursera publication website. Take care and subscribe to keep learning. See you in another video.